Hello and welcome to Flying Mindset. Today we're going to explore the fascinating topic of how reading can change your brain. We all know that reading is important for gaining knowledge and success, but did you know that it can actually change the way your brain functions? In this video, we'll dive into the science behind the short and long-term effects of reading on the brain and how it can make you smarter. But before starting the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Flying Mindset for more amazing content. So now let's start. Reading is an empathy workout. According to neuroscience, when we read, we're encouraged to take the perspective of characters who are different from us. This boosts our emotional intelligence, or EQ. In fact, studies have shown that when we read about a character playing tennis, the same areas of our brain that would light up if we were physically on the court ourselves are activated. This effect can be seen in our brain waves when we read. Additionally, deep reading, the kind that happens when we read for an extended period of time, can help us focus and understand complex ideas. In contrast, skim reading from our phones doesn't provide the same benefits. Studies show that the less we read, the more our ability to focus and understand complex ideas become weaker. Learning to read as a child actually permanently rewires our brains. According to a recent article by Harvard professor Joseph Henrich, this process results in a specialized area in our left ventral occipital temporal region. This area is responsible for recognizing letters and words, and it's larger in people who learn to read at a young age compared to those who learned later in life. In addition, facial recognition shifts to our right hemisphere, reducing our inclination towards holistic visual processing, increasing our verbal memory, and thickening our corpus callosum, which is the information highway connecting the left and right hemispheres of our brain. The overall picture of these changes is that reading doesn't just give us knowledge, it rewires our brain to imagine alternative paths, remember details, picture detailed scenes, and think through complex problems. This means that reading makes us not just more knowledgeable, but also functionally smarter. In conclusion, reading is much more than just gaining knowledge. It can change the way our brain works in general, improving our emotional intelligence, focus, and ability to think through complex problems. So, whether you're reading for fun or for learning, you're doing your brain a favor. Additionally, there are countless life-changing books out there that can truly transform the way you see the world and your place in it. If you're interested in discovering some of the best ones, check out this list of recommended books in the description. Happy reading!